Yeah, we made it to the park, to the ice cream truck. Yay, yay, yay.
No, you can have one of these. One of those strawberries.
After this, what you want?
Why? What sweet you had? Oh, the ice, it's the cake?
Cause it's my birthday week,
Oh, okay.
so I'm like doing whatever.
It's okay, you have fun.
I gotta go back onto my
That small stomach and them hips is talking, girl. You look like Judy.
Who's that?
Yeah, the thick ones. Yeah, that's what you gonna need.
That's what she went for.
You look good though. You tight. You ain't no fat, no stomach. I can feel your bone right there. You doing good, girl.
I'm not no fat person, but
You can't help how you can't help what you got. That's how you got them arms that's popping, girl.
you're not my hookup and giving a pink shit.
It don't come overnight.
You want the straw? What are these down here? Look at me. You can pick one of those. What color?
Excuse me. He dropped his SpongeBob. Can you get another one? Can I get back
River.
to you? Switch? Can you get another one? He dropped it on the grass.
One of these.
It's in my hand.
I know what to do. I saw what to do.
And another strawberry
So when you work out, it helps boost your fat in your body, so it like to lose weight. I know that's not I need to do this.
No, we can't take it back in the door.
Okay.
And I don't want you to have to buy another one. That's red.
No, I understand what you're saying.
Okay. Come on, like I told you.
Yes.
Mason, don't
Unless
start your
you want
shit.
to buy
Don't
another
start.
one. And then, okay, so I got this cocoa, I got the Italian ice.
Two strawberry.
Ice cream truck is good today.
We'll be off in the same day.
Does this have tap
You
cream?
know, you tap at the bottom.
Credit card was
Let's see. Should I get ice cream or? I got the
Here's yours.
Everybody else acting crazy to me.
What?
Should I get an ice cream icy or should I get an ice cream cone?
It's hot for no ice cream because it's
I should
gonna be
get
like
an icy.
yeah. 'cause
Okay.
Where's Gracie? Okay.
Mango. Okay. I'm gonna get the cherry one with the strawberry. But I see watermelon too. Maybe if they have watermelon.
I just want a lemon cherry.
Do they mix it?
This is you, honey.
She said don't touch it.
Can we get a
Who
Italian
can
ice with the lemon and the blueberry?
Oh God.
Yo, who says that?
Young lady?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Yeah. She said she see a boiler pan, she gonna get the highest one. Me and Donette on the small, she got the regular. That's how they do the grandmas. That's how they do the grandma. You welcome.
Yeah.
Man, come on now. They sell these stale chips. Man, come on. Get Beyonce. Hold that.
What's going on with the ice cream shop today? Not expired.
What about the Takis?
I didn't know this the same size. I didn't know Bullet eat tacos. Ain't this the same size? No, I got another scoop. Oh, that's what it is. Okay.
Thank you.
I appreciate you, man.
Okay.
What about the other kiddos?
No, they don't have no more. All their boxes expired. I guess I'm the only one who buy chips.
June, July, August, September.
Nobody buys chips. That's what happened. Nobody buys chips.
We're on the street now.
This food truck they need to be on video. He come to get baby wipes. And they gave it to him.
What?
Yeah. They need a camera over here because they funny. Oh, it's a lot going on at this food truck. How you doing? Good.
You want one of those?
You buy me a juice of puzzle though. Y'all icy good? They
I'm
must
gonna go
be,
sit
they
in the
must
cabana over
be
there.
making mine from scratch.
What you got?
A strawberry, same size as yours.
Once you get her.
Over there. Kids falling out, parents going crazy.
Come on, we need to walk over here. I don't want to be around people. I'm still getting my system back together.
Oh, God. Where's she at? Oh, she said now. Can we? Oh, we can't walk that way no more. They blocked the whole thing off. Oh.